Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that controls breathing, suddenly contracts. This makes your vocal cords snap shut, creating the hic sound. They're often triggered by eating too fast, swallowing air, or sudden excitement. Some scientists even think hiccups are leftovers from ancient evolutionary reflexes. Annoying, but usually harmless, they're a quirky reminder of how our bodies still carry mysteries. Follow Wander into Wonders for more fascinating human body facts.